Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can earn money by predominantly doing nothing once you've set everything up. Now I'm going to share with you proof and results that this method actually works, but it's not difficult. You don't need any skills for this, you definitely don't need any experience, and you can pretty much do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. And look, this money can come in completely on autopilot, like this money here from Amazon, like this money here, and also like this money down here. Now all of this money on the, this is just 3 different platforms that we've looked at here. All of this money is coming in on autopilot because I've done the work previously. So how am I doing this, and how does this whole method work? Well, for this we focus on something up here which is known as affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, it's a very simple concept. You have big companies like Amazon, which we've just looked at there. We also have, independent companies, we have software companies, and lots more. And basically, they will pay you a referral or a commission for recommending their product or their software. And, that can range from anywhere on the low side with Amazon from like 1 or 2%. Up to 100% on different platforms like Warrior Plus and ClickBank. And there's just so many different ways that you can do this. I'll drop links to this article below for you, because in this one here I break it down into a lot more different methods and ways of doing this, but it's a genuinely simple process. So how does it work, and how are we able to earn this amount of money by essentially doing nothing? Well, let me just get rid of this and we'll come over here. So the first part is we need to find a product or a service which we are going to, market and share. So in this example, let me go over to this website here for you, and we'll just go into here. So this here is a piece of software and it's called Jarvis. Now let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on the inside. And this is just an example because there's many of these. So inside of this piece of software here, this is an AI software. So basically, it's for lazy people like me, but it's also for content creators. You can use this with websites, blogs, paid ads, e-commerce, social media, Google, YouTube, and lots more. And the whole concept behind this is it will basically write content for you. So, if you want to come up with video ideas for YouTube, it will give you these. If you want a video script, it will create a video script for you. If I want to, create a blog article for a niche website or something like that, again, it will do this for me. So if I go over to, let me show you an example. If I go over here onto blog, and we can see on here, look, blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, blog post into paragraph. It will create all of this for me. And also, if I go back over onto the templates, but this is the dashboard, so you can see different days when we're using this for the words. But if I come onto here and go onto dashboard and we'll go to templates, I'm just going to go into this long form assistant and I'll just literally click on this here. So look, I'm going to create a new blog post. So describe the content you want to create. Okay, so let's just, let's say we found an affiliate marketing product and we want to, create a content around that. So let's just say a blog post for simple tips to get a flat stomach or flatter stomach, as an example. Okay, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so now the software will say, title, do you want us to generate this for you, or do you want to type in your own? I just click on generate, and look, how to get a flat stomach, 5 simple tips, how to get it, etc. So you can go through, look, flatter stomach in just 1 week, must know tips for a tight core. So let's just go with that one. Intro paragraph. So again, generate ideas. And again, it's going to take a second, and then it will give me an introduction to the blog post. But you can do this for, you can do this for Facebook, Quora, and many more. So look at this one here. Do you want a flat stomach? The good news is there are simple ways to get one. So let's just go with use this one, and we'll click on open editor. So this here now, I've got blog article starting. Look, so come down here, look, planks, do them on your So if I come down here, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click number 3, side, and look, you see down here, I'm going to click on compose, and it'll literally create the content for me. Okay. And all we're doing here is we're just using the software to create an article, and you can change this, into a long paragraph, a medium, long, and there's lots more stuff that you can do inside of this software here. It's just absolutely awesome. So using this piece of software over here, I mean, there's lots more that I can do with this. You can see if I go into if I'm going to show hints and tips, it will show me, lots of different ways to, rewrite the text, format it, and lots more. So for example, like if I didn't like this here, I highlight this and you see this over here. Look, I can rephrase this, I can fix the grammar, explain it to a 5th grader. I can do lots more stuff with this. It's absolutely awesome. The other thing why I like this software, and I'm a partner for it, is if I come down here and I'll go to, let's go to the Academy Learning Center. I'm going to click on here and I'll go over here and I'll show you this. So over on here, look, there's lots of free trainings on here. Okay, so if I come down, look, these are all past trainings and there's more coming up. So look, write and schedule your next 3 months of social media content, how to land clients, optimize your blogs, etc., how to write Facebook ads, and all of these. So this here is a product that I use and I recommend. So once you've got a product which you're going to use and recommend, the next part of it is creating content and finding your audience. So like this piece of software here, who would it be relevant for? Well, so you can see on here all of the different things that it can do. So we could create content around Facebook posts and social media posts, and we could literally create a blog around that, and we could even do YouTube videos and other bits. We could look at hire VAs to write perfect Facebook posts, how to land clients. So you can create content which will attract people to this. So an actual example of this piece of software over here is, if I go onto my blog here and I go to YouTube and I scroll down and I've got this article here, look, how to create a YouTube cash cow channel from scratch. So this concept here, it's for people who want a YouTube account, but they don't want to be on camera, they don't want to talk or anything themselves, they want to outsource all of the work and have it done for them. So in this article here, which I've created, I'll scroll down the page here, I'll show you this very quickly. I have got, so I'm literally walking them through the process, but you see here, look, we use a piece of software called Conversion AI. That was the old name of it. It's actually now switched its name over to Jarvis. But inside of here, so I'm showing them the software and how I use this for, YouTube cash cow channels. So this piece of content here, if I go back over into the actual software, if I go to templates and I click on video, you see all of these things on here. So again, it will give me video titles. So look, what you put in a thing. So what is the video about? So look, simple ways to get a flatter stomach. I'm just going to take this here, flatter stomach, and put that in here like so. And I'm going to click on generate AI content. So here it would create a video title for a YouTube video for us. And it literally takes a couple of seconds. Once this stops spinning down here, look, here are some ideas. So these are different video titles. So look, the seven belly fat busting techniques in 10 minutes, all like expert tips. So I could take that there, okay? I could then go back over into the templates here. Sorry, I could go back into the templates, click on video, and then I could go into a YouTube script, and I'd literally paste my title in there, click on generate AI content, and now it's going to give me a video script, hook, and introduction. So this whole process is we find an affiliate product, and you can use independent companies. You can go with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Amazon. It really doesn't matter. Once you've done that and you've got your affiliate link, you start creating content. Now in terms of this, obviously this one here, I am creating blog posts around this, and I also create a YouTube video. But once I have done the work, this money up here that I've shared with you up here, these earnings here, and if I go to details and we'll go for the last 6 months, you can see, look, these earnings here are coming in now on autopilot because I don't have to rewrite this blog article over here. It's already done. The work has been done. The video inside of here, the video that I put over on YouTube, I believe it's inside of here. It better be inside of here. No, it's not that one. It's definitely one in here. I'm sure I did one. yes, this one here, this cash cow from scratch, this video as well, I've done the work previously. So I've created a blog article, I've created a YouTube video. All in all, it probably took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours in total to create the video and create this blog article. And now it's bringing me in money every single month. So you see these earnings here? Thankfully, they're going in the right direction. I mean, this month in June, it had a little dip, but now in July, we are back over there. And look at this. Clicks. So that means people who have clicked my affiliate links so far this month, 23 signups, customers, and you can see the ones before. And basically, I'm doing nothing now. The work has been done previously. So this is one way that you can make money with affiliate marketing. It is absolutely awesome if you learn how to set all of this up correctly. And look, you don't have to do YouTube or blogs if you don't want. You can do Quora, you can do Facebook, you can do Pinterest, you can do Twitter. There's hundreds of different ways that you can do affiliate marketing and set it up correctly. And look, if you want more, more resources for this, click the link down below. There's a course that I recommend 100%. It costs $7, which in the UK is about £5, and it will show you how to do affiliate marketing correctly. It will show you how to set everything up. And literally, also on my blog here, there's lots more resources over here. So go ahead and check them out. But essentially, that is how you can make money by doing nothing. You do the work up front, you create some content around an affiliate product, and then you can sit back and be earning a passive income. So that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.